Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a platypus charm using polymer clay to help raise money for the Australian bushfires. So currently there are a large number of bushfires happening in Australia right now. These fires have burnt massive amounts of area and land. At this time of filming there has been confirmed 500 million animal deaths from the bushfires, and I've decided I want to help out any way I can. So 100% of the money that I make from the ads on this series of Australian animal tutorials will be donated directly to the Animal Rescue Collective, which is an organisation currently helping all the animals with food, with medicine, with shelter, any way they can. They're doing huge drop-offs of food, and they really need our help and our donations to be able to continue supplying food for these animals affected by the bushfires. If you would like to donate directly, I will be leaving links down below. If you would also like to help the people or families affected by the bushfires, I will leave those links down below as well to some charities that you can donate to. So thank you for watching this video. Just by watching, you are providing money to help the animals, and let's get on with the tutorial. So to begin, take some brown clay, I'm using Hazelnut by Sculpey, and roll some into a ball for the head. Then I'm creating the face, so I made 2 indents where I want the eyes to go, and then I added in 2 balls of black clay. For the cheeks, I placed on 2 small balls of pink clay. Next, for the bill, I used some dark grey clay and I rolled it on my work surface and then flattened it down, and then I cut off a section and placed it onto the face between the eyes. For the fur on top of its head, I rolled 2 balls of the brown coloured clay into teardrops, and I placed them together before cutting off the wider ends so that I had a flat section. I then positioned this on top of the head and then blended it down. For the body, you'll want to roll some of your base colour into a cone and then trim off the top part. For extra strength, I added a piece of wire and also some liquid clay before adding the body onto the head. If you don't have wire or liquid clay, this part's just optional and you can blend them together as usual. To make the web feet, I'm using some black polymer clay and I cut 4 even sections. Then for each one, pinch one side and then create some indents on the other using one of your tools. You can then go ahead and position these onto the body how you would like. Lastly, for the tail, I'm also using the dark grey clay that I used for the bill, and again I'm rolling it on my work surface and flattening it down so that it looks similar to a beaver's tail. I trimmed off one section on an angle and then I connected it to the body, and you can also blend it on. Go ahead and add an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then you can bake your clay in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I secured the eye pin using some super glue, and I also added a coat of UV resin for my glaze for extra shine and protection. So this is what my finished platypus charm turned out looking like. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to check out all the links down in the description box and donate to help if you can, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!